Here's the financial planning misstep I see 90% of women over 60 make. They create a financial plan for surviving, not thriving. I see women having detailed budget sheets for groceries and utilities, but no plan to fund the trip to see the grandkids or the kitchen renovation they've been dreaming of, or the art classes they've wanted to take, or the charitable causes closest to their hearts. No, they're so focused on making the money last that they forget to make life meaningful. So here's what I tell my clients. Your financial plan should fund your life, not restrict it. So the goal isn't to die with the most money in the bank. It's to live fully while being financially responsible. So yeah, we want to plan for security and emergencies for sure, but also plan for growth and joy and experiences. So what would change in your financial plan if you planned to thrive instead of just surviving? Try this mindset shift and let me know how it works for you. I'm Deborah Morrison with We Can Do It Women.